What are you doing on my cliff?
You're going to turn around and walk away.
I don't think so, doggy. This is my turf. I'm not leaving it.
Listen to me. You're going to turn around and walk away.
I'm not going anywhere.
Oh no. Missed.
I'll teach you to mess with me, wee pup.
Missed!
Oh, missed. It's okay. I'm all right.
What? She's back.
Now you start walking.
I'm not going anywhere.
Yes, you are.
You can't make me.
Impressive.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
The power is in the eyes.
Look at me.
It's in the eyes, Mist.
Look at me.
I'm
Turn around right now.
okay. I'm turning round. I am.
Yes, that's it. You're doing it.
That's it.
Miss, are you all right? Oh, I'm fine. I'm fine. Oh, thank goodness.
McVicker! Run for your life. There's a wee doggy down there you do not want to tangle with.
And so it was that a young sheepdog with such courage and an old sheepdog with such ears went down the cliff as enemies and came back up as friends. And as mist and fern emerged from the fern and mist, even the weather seemed to smile upon them.
Well, Mist, let me just say that what you did today was reckless, dangerous, and absolutely, absolutely,
Yes,
absolutely brilliant.
I heard that.
Mist was no longer just a puppy. She was a sheepdog, and a fine one too. Truly one of the pack. And to this day, she works the hills and cliffs together with Gale, Swift, Ernie, Jake, and Fern, using Sir Gregory's winning combination of bravery and teamwork. And although the work is hard, Mist enjoys every moment.
Summers may come, winters may go, bathing in sunshine or covered in snow. The images turn around and around, and my spirit's alive and renews the freedom I found. As the memories begin, I see mist on wind cutter.